Hey man.
Hey man, what's up?
Not much.
What are we going to do? Are we cooking something or what?
Yeah, let's do a damper.
Damper?
Damper and some ostrich.
Okay. On a campfire like this? Or?
Yeah, why not? Like the old Aborigines do on the fire.
But we have a grill over there. Oh, you made a table of this.
Yeah, we made a table of this one, mate. You're having a nap, why not?
Okej. Słuchajcie, zaczynamy cykl filmów z Michaelem, Australijczykiem, i na sam początek bierzemy chleb australijskich aborygenów, damper ze stekiem ze strusia. Zaczynamy.
Let's start it off. Let's put this on and start heating it up. I'll get that. Let's go, move up the top here. Let's move on with the bread. Let's take our flour.
Okay. What kind of flour
Just normal, because in Poland you can't get the self-raising, so we're going to make our own self-raising flour.
Self-raising flour to taki produkt, który jest dostępny w różnych krajach na świecie, ale nie ma go w Polsce. Ale to jest nic innego jak po prostu mąka wymieszana z proszkiem do pieczenia.
And some salt.
So tell me, what kind of a bread is this?
It's a hard bread because we're just using the flour. It's an Aboriginal campfire bread.
Using Dutch oven like us?
No, using something different, using some metal products or just putting it straight into the ground and then it's getting charcoal on the outside. So you need to just rub that in now like a crumble.
Aha. Dodaliśmy masło i teraz wcieramy to masło w mąkę.
So he's mixing up that quite nicely. Still a couple little flakes in there, so let's get that going. We're gonna add the milk now.
Dzisiaj też będzie to taki wyjątkowy odcinek, bo wszystko co zrobimy na ognisku. Żadnego grilla nie użyjemy, oprócz tego, że używamy grilla jako stolika.
Grab all of this around with it now. And
Michael tak stoi nade mną i mówi mi, co mam robić. Słuchajcie, poznaliśmy się w jednej restauracji. Był jednym z fajniejszych szefów, z jakimi pracowałem.
Just clean that off now in here. We're ready to go. What we're going to do now is going to take the Dutch oven from the fire. We're going to leave this sitting inside.
Do you want me to form it somehow or
Just roll a ball, flatten it out a little bit. We're going to be good to go.
Chleb, damper, aborygański.
And we'll let that go for about 35 minutes.
So what do you got there, Michael?
Got some ostrich,
Ostrich.
fillet.
Okay.
So we're going to grill that over, throw a bit of salt on there, put it on top of the grill over there, and then into the broil.
Okej. Mamy dzisiaj strusia. Struś jest w ogóle mega. Z polskiej firmy, hodowany w Polsce, strusia kraina. Polędwica ze strusia. Bardzo, bardzo delikatny mięsień. Trochę wątróbkowy, czyli coś pomiędzy polędwicą wołową a hanger steakiem. Ale to jest naprawdę przepyszne. I dzisiaj zrobimy to na ognisku. Struś.
Yeah, a little bit of salt, both sides. Fire's ready to go.
Yeah, I think it's all done already.
Yep, let's sear it first.
Let me put the thermometer inside so that we will know where we are. Tym razem Michael pozwolił mi robić po mojemu, czyli mogę sobie wbić termometr w steka, więc zrobimy go rare, yeah? We're gonna do it rare, ale jako, że użyjemy tego super urządzenia Broil Kinga, zamkniemy te steki później w środku i musimy wiedzieć, na czym stoimy, jeżeli chodzi o temperaturę. W tym momencie one się spiekają. So 2020, what was it, February when we talked?
Yeah, I think it was in February. I was just
Where were you in your life?
in Italy to open up a restaurant, and then
Did you expect
2020
this?
started.
So you're back.
Back in Poland.
It's stupid to say I'm happy.
But no, it's good. It's really good. It's enjoyable. Beautiful.
This black stuff, oh man, this is gonna be so good. Okay, let's flip it on the other side.
We can do the wine now for sure.
Oh, yeah, it's hot. Wlejemy sobie do środka trochę wina. Wino będzie nam nawilżać to mięso i dodawać aromat. So what do you think, man?
Let's put it inside.
Nicely
Remember,
seared.
look, see how the wine's going. Beautiful little aroma coming from there.
It's 24 degrees inside, so we have plenty of time to go.
Good, probably 10 minutes left on this. Sitting around 25 degrees at the moment and rising. So it'll be quite good. So how about we take it off now because
Yeah.
it's in the
It's really
so-called
hot,
Dutch
yeah.
oven. Let's go.
It will keep
It'll finish.
going up, so I think, yeah, let's leave it
Let's leave
here.
it there. It's like in Australia, man. We get the people over. We start a barbecue. Next thing you know, the neighbours are going, "Oh, barbecue day today. I'm bringing this. I'm bringing this. You're bringing that." Next thing you know, there's 15, 20 people in your house.
Okay.
It's like that.
And
20
a
minutes
huge
later.
party, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Usually lasts the whole night.
Sounds like a Polish barbecue for me.
No, it's a lot of fun.
Steki ze strusia są gotowe. Okay, let's check the bread, Michael.
The bread's ready to go.
What do you think? Does it sound like Aboriginal drum?
It does a little bit, but it's nice.
Or
Nice colour.
Does it sound like didgeridoo? I think.
No, a little bit different, but yeah.
Okay.
So we've got the bread ready to go. Our steaks are ready to go.
So Michael, I think they are okay. Some kind of medium rare, something like this.
Beautiful steak that we have here.
Looks great, man.
Looks really good.
Looks wonderful, man. Oh man, that looks good.
Very good.
Chlebek z ogniska. Czajcie to? Let's grab a bite. Let's have a seat, man. Let's have our ostrich steak with damper bread.
Beautiful. Enjoy.
Enjoy, man. Oh man.
A little bit gamey.
And for me, it tastes like a hunger steak. I can smell the fireplace.
And the bread as well.
Słuchajcie, jeżeli podobało Wam się to, co zrobiliśmy dzisiaj z Michaelem, czyli ten aborygeński chleb upieczony w ognisku i ten stek ze strusia upieczony na ognisku, to oglądajcie nas dalej. Będzie jeszcze lepiej. Thank you, man.
Thank you.